just get right into the repair, okay? This is the rear flat on a GoTrax Rival. So, go ahead and you know, stand your scooter up on whatever you can. And you're gonna need a T20 TORX wrench with a hole in it. You can actually get these at O'Reilly Auto Parts. And thankfully, you know, I thought I was gonna have to drill this out like I've shown in the past, but this actually works here. So yeah, that's the trick to this particular scooter fix. And yeah, but we will do the traditional video. Oh, see, they even have TORX heads in there with the hole in it. It's pretty crazy, actually. I don't know why they do this. There's no reason to do this. So I've been fixing scooters for 5 years, and I've never seen a hole in the TORX. Not a hole, but a notch in the TORX head screws. Pretty annoying. Pretty unnecessary. Pretty evil in my opinion, but we won't go there. You can have little notches in these heads too. So you can't fix this scooter without really paying for it. And here I was trying to explain how GoTrax has the most repairable e-scooter, and then I find that these screws are in here. Very unnecessary. But anyway. So grab a tin cup as always and put all your screws in there. Okay. And normally we do a 2-part series, but hopefully we can fix this whole scooter in one session. This scooter takes, and very easy to strip these screws too. This scooter takes a well, this is a T20 and a T10 for the inside ones. And again, there's a hole in the TORX wrench. Just for money-making purposes, completely unnecessary. Completely erroneous from a mechanical engineering standpoint. Alright, so we're gonna grab that out of there, hopefully. Come on. And then now we gotta do the back side. So we're gonna flip this scooter over. Tons of space to work, but we're here. So again, we're attacking TORX head with a notch in it for no reason, alright, and this shit really pisses me off if you can't tell. Because, like, how is the average person gonna fix their scooter, right? If you have all these complicated tools and such, for no reason. There's no reason this should be a notched groove. Can you tell I'm agitated? And easy to strip as well. So we're gonna try to get this out, and I think we broke tension, so I think we're good. Look at all the slop in there. There's little to no chance I'm putting these screws back in here. These are evil screws. There's no reason for this to be in here. This little notch, so I have to go buy the wrenches with the notch in. Alright, that's my rant. The front doesn't even have them. It's only the back. Okay, the guy in the store also said German cars have this. So German cars have this this issue. Anyway, try to get these out without stripping them. Probably gonna be impossible. Probably gonna have to drill this one out. Because it won't bite. Almost looks like it's stripping my screwdriver. Yep. Cheap Chinese aluminum, of course, makes the screws, and then they strip. Probably made intently like that. These won't come out. I gotta Dremel these out. I gotta dig my Dremel out and drill these babies out. I'm wondering if I can break them. Probably not. Let's get the Dremel. Okay, not entirely sure I've shown this previously, but if you have a stripped head here, which we do, we have two of them. the easiest way, not the necessarily the best way, right there, 1, 2. The easiest way is to turn them into flat heads by sawing them out with a Dremel, which is what I have here. Okay? I think my head was secured. When you do this, it's good to wear an eye shield, but I'm gonna skip that. Give it a nice saw. You're turning the head into a flat head. And hopefully you'll be able to get it out. Or, you know, you won't be able to get it out. Notch is a real doozy. Well, those are in there. You have to drill them out the old-fashioned way. Or just break them because they're so small. So like, why put a hex head here and Torx heads there? Don't lose your washers. Maybe we can break those off. Flip of the script again. So we were able to get this sides out. So maybe we can force the wheel off. So it's scooter's just kind of balancing there. Able to get it off, which is good. To torch the little hair off the ends. Okay. got the U bracket sitting in here. Thankfully it's turned around. We were able to get the left side off, so we can repair this. So now that the wheel is separate from the scooter, we can lay that down and just work on this. Everybody's still with me? Probably not. Whatever. Okay, now we're fixing the wheel itself, okay? So you just get in here with your tire spoons. Actually, we're going to remove the disc brake. I got to run in 15 minutes, so this will be a two-part series, but I've shown this in plenty of my other videos beyond here. The most important part is getting those TORX wrench screws off. The disc brake's coming off. It's a 5 head. And it looks like a 110. Find out in a second. These have a backside to them. That's why they're giving me trouble. So these have a back nut to them, so don't lose them. It's a 110. Okay, and five of these little nuts came off. Now we're going to fix our wheel, finally. This is the GoTrax Rival. spoons go in now. And we're breaking the bead. Tools everywhere on a tiny table. I don't do this anymore. I closed my business because it's too much of a headache to do this stuff. But I do show how to fix a lot of scooters, so hopefully the knowledge will be spread. My spoons are all messy. Broke the bead. I'm going to remove the valve stem from the inner rim there. So I broke the bead sort of. Right now I'm just muscling this off. We got it off. Here's our rim and our tire. Our inner tube coming out 8.5 by 2. Good. That's what we have to replace it. Alright, so that's part 1, guys, of the Rival GoTrax rear, and we'll see you in part 2 when we put Humpty Dumpty back together. And believe it or not, I'm sure you can figure it out yourself, but especially from my other videos, but we will see you in the next one, either way.